Bagaimana pengerjaan LMS-nya? So far so good. Ya, terima kasih karena memang saya lihat LMS-nya sudah dikerjakan. Berarti hari ini kita tatap muka sudah punya bekal. Betul? Oke. Bapak Ibu, today our topic is about keeping the school clean or let's clean the school. Ya, ini diambil dari modul A2 Unit 3. Unit 3 itu ada 3, ya, yaitu keeping the school clean and let's clean the school. Oke, Bapak Ibu, for example like this. If you see your students, yeah, throwing a garbage or after drinking something and then they're throwing like this, what do you do? Ya, Bu Nadia, silakan.
Untuk buang sampahnya ke tong sampah, terus bilang ke muridnya kalau sampah itu harus dibuang ke tempat sampah, bukan sembarangan.
Oke, very good. If you see your student littering or mess up atau mengotori ataupun membuang sampah sembarangan, silahkan ajari dia cara membuang sampah yang baik dan benar. Betul sekali. Next. Oke, sebelum kita masuk ke materi, saya mau absen dulu. Puji Tuhan, 99% hadir, tapi satu orang yaitu Pak Rian tidak bisa hadir karena dia sudah WA saya bahwasanya di pulau sedang ada badai. Karena hujan deras ada badai. Terima kasih yang 99% sudah hadir mengikuti tatap muka hari ini. Jadi kita harus semangat demi anak-anak bangsa. Oke? Oke, selanjutnya class agreement. Kalau class agreement dengan saya, Bapak Ibu, ya di sini sudah banyak sekali ya. Di waktu sinkronos juga sudah banyak sekali kita membuat class agreement. Kalau dengan saya, with me is okay. As long as we can work together, yeah, you do what you do, I do what I do, it is clear. Okay? So I think no need to remind you, come on time, blah blah blah. You are the teacher. You know what is your job desk, right? Okay. Bapak Ibu, objective. Tujuan dari modul A2 Unit 3 itu adalah by the end of the unit, the participants are expected to be able to follow and deliver spoken instruction in sequence. Yeah, using linking words such as first, next, then, finally for school procedures. Lihat, saya garis bawahi di sini adalah procedures yang kita gunakan pada waktu kita mengajari anak-anak membuang sampah itu adalah procedure text. Oke, next. Look at this procedure text. Sebelum kita ke sini, Bapak Ibu kan sudah mengerjakan LMS nih. Udah dari modul A1, sekarang A2, dan topik-topiknya juga sudah dipelajari. Sekarang saya mau tanya dulu, Bu Anissa, apa itu procedure text? Belum terlalu mengerti. Bagaimana dengan Bu Alifa?
Mungkin tahapan-tahapan dalam teks.
Tahapan-tahapan dalam tes. Pak Adit mungkin lebih, kayaknya sudah hafal ini LMS-nya.
Kalau menurut saya, prosedur teks itu adalah teks untuk mengajari sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu.
Mengajari sesuatu secara bertahap, namanya prosedur, ada prosedurnya. Jadi nggak langsung main aja gitu, ada prosedur tahapan-tahapan yang perlu kita lalui. Ada prosedur teks, ada sequencing language. Sequencing language itu sebelum kita mengajarkan tahap demi tahap itu ada linking words-nya. Misalnya, first, apa arti first Bapak Ibu? Next,
Selanjutnya.
the pictures? Okay. What kind of pictures is this? Apa kira-kira instruction yang kita berikan? Silakan. First, pick up the garbage. You can see the kids is taking the garbage from the floor. Okay, first, pick up the garbage. The second, apa kira-kira instruksinya? Buang sampah ke tempat sampah. Apa instruksinya? Next, put it in the bin. Contohkan Bapak Ibu, ambil tong sampah, put it in the bin. Next, the third. Then, sweep the floor. And finally, wash your hands. Ini tahapan-tahapan ketika kita, when we ask the students to throw the garbage into the bin to keep the school clean. So, how to keep the school clean? This is the procedure text that we can use when we are teaching. Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay, next. This is the following pedagogical competence dan ini classroomnya, classroom Englishnya, ya, ataupun bahasa Inggris yang bisa kita gunakan in our daily, ya, when we study this topic, please repeat after me, okay? First, pick up the garbage.
Pick up the garbage.
Next, put it in the blue bin.
Put it in the blue bin.
Then, sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Finally,
Wash
your hands.
Wash your hands.
Okay, so you can say, students, follow me. Atau students, repeat after me. Okay, that is the classroom English. Next. So, how do we teach them? You can use group work. Group work. Jadi, kalau kita memberi instruksi, satu memberi instruksi, satu melakukan. Jadi dia tim. Okay? One to give instruction, one student to do what does the instruction asks about. Okay? So the method that you can use in this topic is about group work. Next. This is the like test, yeah, for us. When I say this sentence, please identify is it true or false. Okay? We start number one. Please water the homework. False. What should you water? Plant or flowers yang ada di sekitar sekolah, right? The second. Please sweep the floor. True. Please save the blackboard. How can you save the blackboard? Yeah. Please feed the chair. False. So how many false?
3.
How many correct?
1.
Okay, so from this quiz, I see that you have understood about the LMS. What will you teach in your class later? So, Bapak Ibu, do you still have questions regarding to our topic? Or do you have difficulties in doing your LMS? Do you have? Ada kesulitan Bapak Ibu mengerjakan LMS-nya? Bisa dikerjakan semua? Tugas-tugasnya bisa dikerjakan? Ketika mengajar nanti kira-kira bisa nggak diaplikasikan? Okay, so if there is no question, I think it is enough for our meeting for today. Nanti kita jumpa lagi di tatap maya selanjutnya. Tetap kerjakan sinkronusnya dan juga LMS-nya supaya semuanya selesai. You do what should you do, I do what should I do. Thank you very much for your kind attention and see you next time.